in this task we need to log into Git and then fork Sarah's story black repo. So let's do that. If you click on here, the username is John and password is John pass123. So let's log in. John. So what is basically forking? So forking is nothing but just cloning someone else repo to your Git account. With it could be Bitbucket or anything. So basically I have a repo here. You can go to anyone's public repo, and then you can click on it, and then you can fork it. So once you fork it, that repo is come to your account. Then you can make changes inside it, and then later you can raise pull request to merge your changes to their repo. So basically, when you don't have any permissions on other someone else's repo, then you can fork it, you can make changes, and you can, if you want, you can raise a pull request. So let's check that, because this is what you do when you're working in a company. So making pull requests. So that's what basically we do. So you can click on fork. This is Sarah's repo. So we are copying into John. So we're making owner is John, and then fork it. So once you fork it, if you go to John's user, now you can see a repo. It's updated 3 seconds ago. Then just open it. Let's try to create a file. So for instance, test.txt, you can type anything, hello git, scroll down and commit changes. So once you commit changes, if you want to merge your changes to Sarah's repository, for instance, if you click on here, now Sarah doesn't have that file, but in our repo we have that file. So if you want to merge these changes to Sarah's repository, what you can do, you can raise a new pull request. So this is going from your John master branch to Sarah's master branch, and then you can raise a request, create pull request. So once you do that, if you come to, of course we logged in as a John user, I think, yeah, still you can see a PR. This pull request merged automatically. Okay, so actually you need to log in a Sarah user to accept this one. Okay, so that's how it works. Of course you don't need to raise PR and everything for this task to be finished, but I want you to understand this, what is forking. So forking is in simple words, if you have to clone someone else's repository to your Git account, then just go to that repo, just fork it. And then if you want to merge changes, or if you want to push something to their repo, then you need to raise a pull request. So that's how it works. Let's check the task results now. That's been done. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share.